Conductor OSS is a local-first control plane for every coding agent you already use: Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, Cursor CLI, GitHub Copilot, and more. Open it from the web or your phone. The repo, terminal, and agent process still run on your own machine. That is the key idea. You keep the power of local development, but you get a remote command center that travels with you. Most coding agent setups start simple, then turn messy. One terminal runs Codex. Another window has Claude Code. Gemini is somewhere else. A preview server is running in the background. A branch has changes you forgot about. Conductor sits above that chaos. It is a dashboard for workspaces and sessions, a launcher for agent CLIs, a Git worktree manager, a real terminal runtime, and a local state layer. It does not replace the model. It does not pretend to be a cloud IDE. It organizes the agents and machines you already trust. The first flow is local. Go into an existing repo and run the package. Conductor scaffolds normal files: conductor.yaml for workspace settings, conductor.md for the markdown board, and a local SQLite database under .conductor. You can also install the CLI globally and use co-start, co-setup, co-spawn, co-send, co-feedback, co-retry, co-restore, and co-cleanup. The important part is that Conductor works with existing folders. You do not need to move your code into a vendor workspace just to make an agent useful. The second flow is the one that matters when you are away from the desk. Use the hosted dashboard plus the paired device bridge. You pair the machine once, then open the dashboard from another browser, another computer, or your phone. The hosted dashboard is only the control surface. Your repos, terminals, and coding agents stay on the paired machine. The bridge connects outbound to the relay, which makes the flow friendly to normal networks and headless boxes. The product goal is simple: your Mac, PC, server, or workstation becomes an agent machine you can control from wherever you are. Inside a workspace, Conductor discovers the coding CLIs on that machine and only offers the agents it can launch. The current list includes Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, Code, AMP, Hermes, Cursor CLI, OpenCode, Pi, Droid, GitHub Copilot, and CCR. When you start a session, the agent runs in its real terminal UI. Claude Code looks like Claude Code. Codex looks like Codex. Gemini looks like Gemini. That sounds obvious, but it matters. Reconnects, resize events, restores, and mobile terminal behavior work like real terminal sessions instead of a fake chat transcript pretending to be one. Conductor is also a parallel work system. Sessions can run in isolated Git worktrees, so one agent can explore a fix while another builds a different approach. They do not stomp on the same working tree. You can inspect status, compare diffs, send reviewer feedback, retry a task, restore an exited session, or kill a bad run. This is where the product becomes more than a launcher. It becomes a manager for attempts, context, previews, diffs, and cleanup. The dashboard gives you a place to see what is running, what changed, and what needs your attention. The newest piece is the Multi-Agent Skills tab. Different coding agents expect different folders, formats, and install steps for skills. Conductor gives you one place to install official skill bundles into the right routes for Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, AMP, Cursor CLI, OpenCode, Droid, Code, CCR, and GitHub Copilot. That means the same machine can become a smarter agent workstation without manually wiring every tool by hand. Conductor also exposes MCP and ACP server modes, plus a dispatcher API that external orchestrators can use to create tasks, stream feeds, send feedback, and bind outside chat threads to a project dispatcher. The phone use case is the cleanest way to explain the product. You are not SSHing into a box and babysitting a Tmux pane. You open a web dashboard, pick the paired machine, check the live terminal, send a follow-up, review the diff, open a preview, or restore a session. You can be away from your desk and still control the coding agents that are running on the computer that actually has the repo, credentials, dev server, and local context. That is the difference between remote chat and remote execution. Conductor OSS is open source, MIT licensed, and published as the Conductor OSS NPM package with Conductor and Conductor OSS command aliases. The repo is on GitHub, the package is on NPM, and conductros.com is the product entry point. If you already use Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, Cursor CLI, Copilot, or any serious coding agent, Conductor gives you the missing layer: one dashboard, real terminals, isolated worktrees, shared skills, and phone-ready remote control for your own machines. Start the repo, try the package, and build with the agents you already paid for.